Good evening, everybody. Caroline Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. And welcome back to our Q's analysis class here tonight on Tuesday, June 12th of 2012. Hope you're ready for some fun here tonight because technical analysis is always fun. So let's get started. And let's take a look at our Q's chart and let's see what happened here today. Wow, look at this. What a beautiful bounce off of that lower area support here again. We're testing it here again. This is the second time today. We tested it here, closed the day right at this area of support right here yesterday, and we are back in here again testing this really major area of support the second time, the 61.68 mark, as well as the 8 moving average, which is here in green. This is the significant, very strong area of support that we are watching here really closely. So we are still struggling at this area of support, 61.68. And also we are still stuck in between those two areas. This one up here, the area of resistance that we talked about yesterday, 63.50, and then the lower area support, 61.68. All right, so we are still trading in a tight trading range between those two areas. And those are very, very important areas and key areas for you to remember and make sure you have them on your chart, because that is a significant thing here. Those are magic numbers, 63.50 and 61.68. And what we need to do tomorrow is, again, what's that upper area of resistance right here, and as well as that lower area of support. Because if we do ever break through either one of them and then close the day below or above them, we could head in either direction. If we do happen to break through that 63.50 and then close the day higher, we could head all the way up to that next area of resistance up here, which is the 50-day moving average, and it's at 64.50. But if we do happen to break back down through that 61.68 mark and then close the day below it, we could head lower to the next area of support down here, 60.67. All right, so that is why those two areas are really important areas for you to watch and make sure you have them on the chart. And then let's take a look at our friend MACD. Wow, we are still keeping it above the zero line in a bullish territory. That is what I see here on the MACD. We're still staying above it, which means that we're still in a bullish territory, keeping up there. So as long as we stay above the zero line on the MACD, we will be bullish right here. But also we need to pay close attention to whatever happens on the chart, because that's the key. We first look at the chart and then look at the MACD to make sure it's confirming any moves. So that is what the MACD is telling me right now. We're still keeping it above the zero line in the bullish territory, continuing higher. And then the volume, not very impressive. We're still slightly below the average, but trading on some nice volume right here, higher than the two previous bars. So that is pretty nice here. Okay, so look for spikes in volume here on a breakout, especially up or down. All right, so that's all that I have for you for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. Safe trading to all of you out there. Have fun tomorrow, and I will see you back in class then.